Hi, my name is Kristen, and today I'm playing the Kirby and Sonic the Hedgehog game by Sega. I don't know exactly who created this game, but right now it's just showing you a preview clip of how to play and a little bit of instruction. But I'm going to start playing now. I have only played this game once before starting this, so I might not be the best, but we'll see. So you use the left and right keys to go back and forth like this, and up in the top or left corner it shows you your time, score, and the rings that you collect. To jump, you press X to get those little rings at the top. And then I'm not really sure what the TV thing does, but I know those characters like at the bottom you're supposed to avoid, just like that bumblebee that just came by. And right here, supposed to get all the rings. It's a little fidgety sometimes, like trying to jump and stuff, but all I know is you're supposed to avoid the crabs, stuff like that, the animals, like, or you can jump on them and it'll eliminate them completely. I'm pretty sure the whole purpose of the game is just to get as many rings as possible with avoiding stuff like that. It's very fidgety though, so like you'll press, like as you can tell I'm having trouble getting the rings because it's kind of hard to decipher. Uh-oh. I don't want to fall on these spikes. Uh-oh. See, falling on the spikes causes you to lose all of your rings, as you can tell. I'm assuming that once you fall down, it's a little bit harder, as you can tell, because there are a bunch of spikes on the bottom. I'm not sure what that does. Let's test it. Oh, it makes you jump up. See, now I'm not completely sure how to get to that other side. Okay. It goes so fast. Like if you hold the, oh my gosh. Okay. See, I literally just held the arrow down. I didn't do anything to do that besides holding the arrow down. Oh, there's the big gold ring. Okay, so I got 102 and it says Kirby has passed. My score was 420. I'm not really sure if that's good or bad. And I'm assuming that there's going to be another level, so I guess I will go on to that. I didn't get this far last time, so bear with me. Okay, so this one looks like it's a moving platform. You use the same keys, the arrows, and I've only been using X. I guess C does the same thing as X. I don't know. I don't think V does anything. I'm assuming that you can fall out of this though, and that wouldn't be good. Okay. So now it says special stage with a score of 1400, 820. I think this is bringing me, oh, this looks very similar to the first round. Let's see. Ooh, let's jump on that again. Uh-oh. I don't really know what hitting those things does, to be honest. It doesn't really seem like it does much. But I'm trying to figure out how you die, because I'm not seeing actually dying, I'm just seeing like losing rings. So I'm going to try to actually figure out how to die and see if there even is a way to die. Let's see if running into one of these bug things kills me. No, see, it just makes me lose my rings. Let's see what happens if I run into it again. See, I'm not really seeing any type of way to die yet. Let's keep going down. I'm just losing. Oh, there it goes. Okay, well, so I died, so I'm going to end the video there. So yeah, that was play by Kirby and Sonic the Hedgehog, so thank you for watching. I really liked this game. I thought it was very easy to learn and to take control of. All I did was play one time before recording, and I kind of got the hang of it, but it was fun. I like how there's different rounds and there's a lot to it, so I definitely recommend it. But thank you for watching and have a great day.